By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which Apple products are worth your money and which ones aren't. Let's get started. How we chose these products. Before we jump into the list, here's how these recommendations were made. We didn't simply choose the newest Apple products. Instead, we focused on 5 important factors: performance, value for money, software longevity, everyday usability, and how well each product fits into Apple's ecosystem. A great Apple product should not only perform well today, but continue receiving software updates for years. It should also offer features that genuinely improve your daily experience rather than adding unnecessary cost. With that in mind, let's start with the product most people upgrade first, the iPhone. Best iPhone to buy in 2026. For most people, the best iPhone in 2026 isn't necessarily the most expensive Pro Max model. If you want the best overall experience, Apple's latest flagship iPhone delivers outstanding cameras, impressive battery life, a brighter display, faster performance, and powerful Apple Intelligence features. It's the phone to choose if you love photography, mobile gaming, or simply want the latest technology. However, the best value often comes from the previous generation flagship. These models still offer excellent cameras, premium displays, USB-C connectivity, and years of software support while costing significantly less than the newest release. If you're shopping on a tighter budget, Apple's more affordable iPhone options remain excellent choices for everyday tasks like social media, streaming, messaging, photography, and productivity. Unless you're a professional content creator or someone who truly benefits from advanced camera systems and larger displays, you probably won't miss much by choosing a more affordable model. The key takeaway? Buy the iPhone that matches your lifestyle, not your ego. Best MacBook to buy. When it comes to laptops, Apple has 2 clear winners. For about 90% of people, the MacBook Air is the smartest purchase. It's lightweight, silent, incredibly fast, and offers exceptional battery life. Whether you're a student, office worker, writer, business owner, or casual creator, the MacBook Air easily handles web browsing, video calls, document editing, photo editing, and even light video production. Apple's latest chips have made the Air so powerful that many users simply don't need a MacBook Pro anymore. Now, if you're a professional video editor, software developer, music producer, 3D artist, or AI researcher, the MacBook Pro is still the king. It offers more processing power, better cooling, brighter displays, additional ports, and sustained performance for demanding workloads. But here's the important part. Buying a MacBook Pro doesn't automatically make sense just because it's more powerful. If your daily tasks involve email, Microsoft Office, web browsing, YouTube, and occasional creative work, you'll likely never use its extra performance. Save your money and choose the Air. Best iPad to buy. Apple's iPad lineup can be surprisingly confusing. There's the standard iPad, the iPadAir, and the iPad Pro. For most buyers, the iPad Air strikes the perfect balance. It delivers premium performance, supports the Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard, handles multitasking with ease, and is powerful enough for students, professionals, artists, and content creators alike. The standard iPad is still an excellent option for families, children, casual users, and anyone who mainly wants a device for streaming, reading, note-taking, or browsing the web. The iPad Pro, on the other hand, is an incredible machine with a stunning display and desktop-class performance. But unless you're editing high-resolution videos, creating complex digital art, or replacing your laptop, many of its advanced features may go unused. That's why the iPad Air remains the sweet spot for most people in 2026. Best Apple Watch. If you're thinking about buying an Apple Watch, the decision comes down to how you plan to use it. The standard Apple Watch series is the best choice for most users. It offers comprehensive health tracking, workout monitoring, sleep tracking, notifications, GPS, and safety features, all in a sleek design that's comfortable enough to wear every day. If you're looking for the lowest price, the Apple Watch SE still delivers many of the core smartwatch features people love, making it a fantastic entry point into Apple's wearable ecosystem. The Apple Watch Ultra is designed for a much more specific audience. It's built for endurance athletes, hikers, divers, and outdoor adventurers who need longer battery life and extra durability. For everyone else, the standard series model offers the best balance between features and price. Best AirPods. Apple has several excellent wireless earbuds and headphones, but one model stands above the rest. AirPods Pro continue to be the best overall choice. They combine outstanding sound quality, active noise cancellation, transparency mode, spatial audio, and seamless switching between Apple devices. Whether you're commuting, traveling, working, or relaxing at home, they deliver a premium listening experience. The standard AirPods remain a solid choice for users who primarily make calls, listen to music, and don't need advanced noise cancellation. Meanwhile, AirPods Max offer exceptional sound quality and premium materials, but their high price makes them harder to recommend unless you're specifically looking for luxury over-ear headphones. For most people, AirPods Pro provide the best combination of features and value. Best Apple accessories often make the biggest difference in your overall Apple experience. AirTag is one of the smartest purchases you can make if you frequently misplace your keys, wallet, or luggage. Apple's Find My network makes locating lost items incredibly easy. If you own an iPad, the Apple Pencil can completely transform how you take notes, sketch ideas, or annotate documents. The Magic Keyboard turns compatible iPads into capable productivity machines, making typing much faster and more comfortable. MagSafe chargers offer convenient wireless charging with perfect alignment every time, while a quality USB-C hub expands your MacBook's connectivity for monitors, storage devices, and memory cards. And if you edit videos or work with large files, investing in a fast external SSD is one of the best upgrades you can make. Apple products you should skip. Not every Apple product represents good value. One common mistake is paying for the highest storage option when cloud storage or external drives would meet your needs at a much lower cost. Another is purchasing older Apple devices simply because they're heavily discounted. While they may seem like bargains, they often have fewer years of software support remaining, which can shorten their useful lifespan. High-end products designed for niche audiences can also be difficult to justify for the average buyer. If you're not going to use the specialized features, you're simply paying for performance you'll never notice. Always buy based on how you'll actually use the device, not because it's Apple's most expensive option. Buying tips before you spend. Before clicking that buy button, remember these simple tips. First, don't assume newer always means better for your needs. Previous generation Apple devices often offer nearly identical experiences at significantly lower prices. Second, think about the Apple ecosystem. If you already own an iPhone, products like the Apple Watch, AirPods, and MacBook work together seamlessly, adding convenience that individual specifications can't fully capture. Third, consider buying refurbished products from trusted sources. Apple-certified refurbished devices often look and perform like new while offering meaningful savings. Finally, buy the product that fits your workflow today, not the one you hope you'll need someday. Final recommendations. If we had to narrow everything down, here are the standout Apple products for 2026. The best overall iPhone is Apple's latest flagship, while the previous generation flagship remains the best value. For laptops, the MacBook Air is the clear winner for most people, with the MacBook Pro reserved for professionals who genuinely need its extra power. The iPadAir continues to offer the best balance of performance and price. The standard Apple Watch series remains the best smartwatch for everyday users. AirPods Pro are still the wireless earbuds to beat, and if you're looking for an affordable accessory that adds real value, an AirTag is one of the easiest recommendations on this list. Apple continues to build some of the best technology products in the world, but buying the right one is all about understanding your needs. Spending more doesn't always mean getting a better experience, and in many cases, the smartest purchase is the one that gives you exactly what you need without paying for features you'll never use. Hopefully, this guide has helped you decide which Apple products are actually worth buying in 2026. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which Apple product are you planning to buy this year? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech buying guides, reviews, and comparisons.